Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Mark McNeely here, coming at you with another video. Welcome to the channel if you're brand new. I'm your favorite guy. And hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay alert as new videos come out. So I'm out on the road, out and about, headed out, just running a few errands, gonna go pick up me a little quick coffee. But I thought I'd shoot this video. You're here because you want to learn how you can actually make some money working from home in 2020. All right, 2020, 2020. That sounds so weird saying that, right? So anyway, I know you're probably surfing and looking online on YouTube or Google on ways that you can make money working from home in 2020. And believe it or not, guys, there's so many ways that you can make income online. Just a little bit about me. I've been working from home, making income online since 2011. All right, since 2011, that was when I got started, and here we are now in 2020. And man, it is even more sought after today. Right now, the time of this video, it's like August the 4th, I believe, 2020. And man, so much has happened in the world. We've got COVID. We've got a lot of just civil rights stuff going on. Just a lot of things going on around the world. And so, you know, man, people are looking for honest, legitimate ways to make some income from home. So I can give you a list of ideas and things like that on this video that you can do to make money from home. I can start off with saying, you can sell things using Facebook Marketplace, using Craigslist. I've bought so much stuff from people. I've even sold things from people online from Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. Maybe you've tried that and it's just it works, but you want something more consistent and more sustainable. I get it, been there, done that. Wore a t-shirt, but that is a way that you can do it if you have stuff to sell. If you don't have stuff to sell, then another way that you can do it is actually by you can partner up with an affiliate program, right? You can become an affiliate of a company. So what does that mean? An affiliate is you can become an affiliate of Walmart. You can become an affiliate of Amazon. Everybody shops online, right? Everybody at some point or time, uses Amazon to buy products and services, right? So what you could do is you can do it several ways. You can create a website, that will allow you to bring visitors to that website. And on that website, you can actually focus on selling whatever it is. It can be anything from garden supplies to flashlights to water guns to whatever you want to do. So you can definitely do stuff like that. You can do what's called drop shipping, where you can find products and services and sell them, flip them and sell them. You can also go to like the Goodwill, like different consignment shops around in your local area, find something of value for a low cost, and then you can turn around and sell it on the internet, right? You can do so much, in terms of making money online, right? There's so much that has evolved since I got started back in 2011 working from home. You can partner with other work from home companies. Like if you want a traditional set time, like work from this time to this time, there's one company that my son's mother used to work with called Arise. I'm not an affiliate of Arise. Neither am I promoting them in terms of making any commissions or anything off of them. I just know about them based off of her working for a Disney company before. But there's so many different companies within that network. There are some fees to get started depending on what company you decide to partner with and go with, and to allow them to train you. So there's so many different things. You can create your own t-shirts through a company called Teespring, and basically sell those shirts online, all right, on the internet, on Facebook or YouTube, or just however, all right. Now we've got YouTube. YouTube is a big platform. I believe it is the number 3 most visited website in the world, Google being number 1, Facebook number 2, YouTube number 3. So YouTube now is allowing people to come in on their platform and allow other advertisers to promote, market and promote different services on your particular channel. and whenever that happens, YouTube will cut you a certain percentage of income, and you can get paid. So that's another way that you can get paid from the comfort of your home. So again, let's recap. We talked about selling things from from your home online, either through Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, different social media platforms. We talked about what else? You can partner up as an affiliate company, partner up with an affiliate company through Walmart, through you can be an affiliate of Home Depot, you can be an affiliate of Amazon, sell their products and services online. Just create a web store, a website, set it up, run visitors there. That's another option. You can also, like I said, focus on, buying something, from a local consignment shop, turn around and selling it to people. And then you can also do, what else can you do? Just had a brain freeze. You can, like I said, sell shirts, t-shirts from Teespring, set up a site. You have to design your shirts, and then once you have that design, you turn around and sell it online for a profit. So there's so much you can do. It's so much out here, so much opportunity. Now you have YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel. You can vlog, or you can just make videos, creating value for people, and you can turn around and do it like that. You can also sell, your own products and services, something that you're good at. All right, I would recommend doing that. Focus on something that you're good at. Turn around, create a product or service to help other people that may be interested in that product. Right? Makes sense. And that's another way that you can make income online. These are honest, legitimate ways that you can do that. Set up a website, set up a PayPal account, or some type of income payment processor to receive your payment in exchange for the product or service that the customer would be wanting. So that is how you would do it online. Now I'm going to talk to you guys really quick about my favorite way to make money online. I've done a lot of ways. Let's see what all I've done, because I know you guys probably may want to know that. Since 2011, I started out working from home through the affiliates. So being an affiliate of a company. So the company wasn't mine per se, but I partnered up with a company that provided a product or service. And what I did was focused on building a team, building an organization. All right, with that company, building other team members collectively coming in, and helping them to earn an income from home. So that was kind of how I got started in 2011. Here I am now in 2020. I'm still doing that to this day. I've partnered up with several companies. I've got multiple streams of income. I've got YouTube advertisement going on. I've got I'm an affiliate of a network marketing company, which stands for multi-level marketing. I'm partnered with a company that's been around for 4 years. They've made over $100 million in sales, and they also provide a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, so there's really no risk. It's low risk. All right, the products are amazing, and it's what people want and need. So I decided to tap into the health and wellness niche, because I understand it's not going anywhere. And now with COVID going on now on a rapid fire, it's just needed more now than ever, to have better health and wellness. So I've done that. I have also, what else? I have my own health and wellness product line. So I've created an ebook around the digestive and oral hygiene niche. So I've done that, and I sell that information to targeted people. It's not for everyone, but it's for those targeted people that's interested in that kind of stuff. It's a huge market. Millions and millions and millions of people are interested in that kind of stuff. I've done the research. So that's pretty much what I'm doing now, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys on this video. Like, there's so many different ways that you can make an income online from the comfort of your home. There's no reason to be broke, right? You just got to connect with the right people, the right resources, and you're ready to go. Now it's easy in terms of trying to figure out what that is or what may interest you, whether it be health and wellness. If that's you, if you like health and wellness, if you're into that, if you think it's something that you would be interested in, I'm gonna leave a link below in the description box of this video. Go ahead, check it out. You also have a way you can contact me and and ask additional questions. I'll email you or send you my contact number. We can connect to see what it is that you really want to to really do. But it's a business model, really good, pays you really good, and pays you weekly, residual income, all of that stuff. I don't want to go into all that in this video, but man, very powerful stuff. Man, life-changing, and we're just rocking it, man. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, there'll be a link below in the description box. But again, the barriers a lot of time that people have with making money from home is that they don't know where to start. They don't know how to set up sites, websites. They don't know how to advertise or market to people that may be interested in their t-shirts or their Amazon products or whatever it is that they're selling. So if you're interested in that stuff, email me, let me know. I can help you. I'll leave an email below. We can kind of get you in the right direction, guys. So with that being said, guys, Mark McNeely, I'm signing out. Sorry, but I'm about to go into McDonald's and get me some coffee here, and gonna have a little quick coffee break, and I'm back at it, guys. So take care. I'll see y'all on the next video. God bless you.